In today's economy, the timing of employee paychecks is becoming just as critical as the amount earned. Traditional loans, especially payday loans, can remain a quick fix for cash flow gaps, but they usually come at a high cost, often trapping borrowers in cycles of debt. Earned Wage Access, or EWA, offers a different path. It gives workers immediate access to wages they've already earned with no interest, no credit checks, and no debt. It's essentially your money on your schedule. For employees, this shift means less stress, more stability, and the ability to handle everyday expenses without borrowing. For employers, it's more than just a perk. EWA is actually becoming a powerful strategy to attract talent, reduce turnover, and support financial wellness across the workforce. And while regulation is still evolving, employer-sponsored EWA programs are actually emerging as the gold standard. They're transparent, they're safe, and they're designed to truly benefit workers. At its core, EWA reflects a bigger shift. Compensation isn't only about how much, it's actually about how soon. And I know that navigating these changes can be complex, but TCW Global is an employer of record, and we're here to help with the complexities of workforce management.